Welcome once again to A plus D group, A please D groups video tutorials. Right now I'm about to show you how to set up roaming profiles on Windows Server 2003. To begin, click Start, go to My Computer, local disk C. We need to create a folder here that we'll use later on in the configuration. So let's create it one time. Right click in the open space, select New and Folder. And the folder can be named anything. Try and make it a name that's pertinent, so I'm going to use roaming. Right. On the roaming folder, I'm going to do let's say configuration, property, sharing, share this folder, and permissions. In this window, we're going to check the change box and allow. Click apply and then OK. OK again. Close the window and click on Start and manage your server. You're going to go to Manage Users and Computers in Active Directory. Right, so in Active Directory, Users and Computers, select the Users folder, which was in the A please Active Directory. Select the Users folder, right click in the white open space, New, User. User I'm going to create someone by the name of what? We are really thinking KC Wilkinson. KC Wilkinson. Right, the logon name will be C Wilkinson. Right, next. User must uncheck that. Check user cannot change password. Password never expires. And create a password for this new user. Finish. When that is done, right click the user's name, select properties, and go to profile. At this window, you have to create a path, a profile path, user profile path. It starts with 2 slashes, backslashes. The first thing listed here must be the computer name, meaning the name of the server. To ensure we have the name of the server, we must right click My Computer and select Properties and select Computer Name. Right here you would get the name of the computer. My new computer name is Server 2003. Right. Make sure I copy that. Okay. You enter that. After you enter that, we need to enter the name of the folder we just created in My Computer local disk C. The name of the folder is roaming. So we will go back to the path and enter the word roaming. And the last entry in the path is supposed to be the user's logon name, which is C Wilkinson. We're going to click apply. Now, because this installation of 2003 is what it is, I have to add one more configuration via the route I am taking, which is to select member of for this user, add, advanced, find now. I'm going to use backup operator. The reason why this is necessary is because via this way of setting up roaming profiles that I am doing, if another member, if the user KC Wilkinson isn't added to another member group with some measure of authority, you'll not be able to log on to this machine. So that's why I had to add the user to a member of another group. So set up roaming profile should be as simply as logging off now and logging back in. Let's see if it was set up properly. user's name is C. Wilkinson, and his password is that. Let's see if the account will be created. C. Wilkinson. There's a couple of ways you could prove that the roaming profile was created. Right click my computer and select properties, select advanced, user profile settings, and on the type of the account, type of profile on the computer, it's roaming and roaming. Has date and everything. See, roaming as opposed to local. Very good. So that's set up. So that means anywhere this user were to log on this domain, you would have the same settings. This desktop would be the same, as well as I can provide you to take off the clock, which uses account. Wherever you log on would not have the clock and everything. So thank you again for watching, and that's how you set up roaming profiles.